Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some large DIYs using these large signs from the Dollar Tree. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I'm using this white large sign. A Dollar Tree carries these in 3 different colors, this white, black, and a brown. So I'm using this white one for this project. I'm going to also use these wood planks. 6 come in a pack, but I'm using 4 of them only. And I'm going to paint them using the Waverly Antique Wax. To make these look a little bit lighter, I will be adding some water to the antique wax. Alright, now once they are dry, I'm going to add them to the sign. As you can see, the ones on the edge, I did put them more towards the edge. That is so they can cover the little holes that the sign has. I'm also leaving a space in between them. And I will be adding the word home. For the word home, I use my Cricut, but you can use Dollar Tree stickers. You can also use wood letters instead. To make the O, I'm using a string to make a wreath. Now to make a perfect circle, I'm using this spool from a ribbon. For the greenery, I'm using some Walmart greenery. And that is it for this sign. Look how beautiful and high-end this turned out. For my next project, I will be using another white sign. Now for this, I wanted to recreate a sign that I seen recently at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is carrying some new signs, but I know sometimes it is hard for you to find. So instead, you can't like recreate it. This is the sign I'm talking about. For the buffalo check print, I will be using the Dollar Tree vinyl. Now, as you can see, I didn't have enough, so I did have to cut this in half to make, or like to add half of it on one side and then the other half on the other side. Now for the center, I will be cutting a square, one on each side. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to just peel the vinyl and add it to the sign. Instead of adding this home sign, I will be adding this welcome sign, which I grabbed it from a Dollar Tree sign. I removed it and painted using the Waverly Antique Wax. And to decorate this some more, I will be adding some jute twine on the sides. And that is it for this welcome sign. For my next project, I'm using the brown sign and I'm going to cut this in half to make a square sign. To attach these together, you can add some popsicle sticks to the back, but instead I will be using the Dollar Tree wood pieces, and I'm going to add one on each side. Something I should have done is painted these before I glue them, but I decided to do it after because my plan was to just leave them the color they were, but then I was like, I don't like how it looks, so that's why I painted them black. Now for the sign, you can add whatever you like to this. I will be adding this home wood sign that I got from Michael's. I got this on sale for like $1.50. I didn't paint this, I left it the color it was. To add some more, I added some greenery at the corner, which this makes the sign look so much better. To finish it off, I added a small little jute twine bow. And that is it. Look how beautiful this sign turned out. For my next project, I'm using the black sign. Now I'm going to remove the little hanger. To cover the holes, I'm using these little sticks that I had, which are actually wood stakes from some Dollar Tree signs that I used, which I had them left over. But anyways, you can add popsicle sticks or just leave it how it is. For this sign, I did use my Cricut to cut this "Life is Better on a Farm," and I added this on one side, and to the other side I cut out some little animal figures like the pig, the cow, and the chicken, and I add them on the other side. But that is basically it. This was so easy and so quick, and look how pretty this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.